Okay, this is question number 31 on page 137. Again, it's very similar to 29. You're asked to find the derivative of f of u, v, and you have this complicated thing looking here. Now, we should be using the chain rule because we have some quantity to some power. Alright, so chain rule should come to mind. So let's start off by going f of, ooh, this is ugly. Um, Change the color. Alright, let's go with blue. Alright, so we have f prime of v. That's the derivative of f. And we're going to start using the chain rule, using the outer. So we have 3, put the 3 in front. And then we go 1, you keep the inside. And then you subtract 2. Now, times the derivative of the inside. Now, the inside is a quotient. So, this you have to use the quotient rule. You're going to have u over v. So, we're going to have, remember, the formula for quotient is v u prime minus u v prime over v squared. Okay? So, here we go. V is your bottom. So, you're going to have the bottom, which is 1 plus v times the derivative of the top. Now the derivative of the top using the power rule, you're just going to get plain -2 here. Alright, from this guy. Then we're at here, minus u, which is the top, times the derivative of the bottom, which is, well, the derivative of 1 is 0 and the derivative of v is just 1. So we really don't need to put that. All over the bottom squared, v squared. 1 plus v squared. Alright? Now, we just have to clean this up right here, distribute, combine like terms to get to our answer. So we keep everything the same for now in the front. And then we're going to distribute right here, so we should be getting -2 minus 2v. And then this negative, when you distribute it, you should be getting -1. And then this times this becomes positive 2v. All over 1 plus v all squared. Now, looking real closely here, we should see that, these are going to cancel out. These are opposites, so they cancel out. And then this times this, well, -2 minus 1 gives you -3. So that's nice. So this works out to be pretty simple. We're going to have inside here, like I said, -2 minus 1 gives you -3. All over 1 plus v all squared. Now, Bob is not giving us this answer at the back of the book, so they probably went a little further. Now, first thing they did was to square the top here and square the bottom, kind of separate them. That's legal, alright? So we end up with 3, and then we're going to have 1 minus 2v, this top here, all squared, over this bottom here, all squared. Okay? Times this, -3 over 1 plus v all squared. Alright? And to get to Bob's answer, they just took this -3 and multiplied with this +3, and they got -9, and put this back, 1 minus 2v all squared over and then combining like bases, you're multiplying two like bases right here, so we keep the base the same and just add the exponents. So we end up getting 1 plus v all squared, well, to the fourth power. And that is totally what Bob got. So this is your final answer. Okay?